Hello and welcome to Finance for Beginners. Today I am here with a new video on how to delete your Pioneer account. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming project videos. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So firstly, you need to open the Pioneer website. So this is the home page that is shown to you after you have logged in successfully. And in the top right corner, as you can see, there is an person icon. You just have to click on the person icon. And after that, there is a setting option right there. You just have to click on the setting option. And when you have clicked on the setting option, this is the interface that is shown to you. And now you just have to click on the profile settings. After you have clicked on the profile setting, you just have to scroll down a little bit. And as you can see, there is the close account option. You just have to close account by clicking on this button. After that, your account will be closed and your account will be deleted successfully. So this is how you can delete Payoneer account. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.